In this video, we'll be discussing about the Delta variant of SARS-CoV-2, which is actually the B.1.167.2 variant. It was first detected in India in October 2020. Before getting into the Delta variant, let's see what else we have got. We have the Alpha variant, Beta variant, Gamma variant, Delta variant, Epsilon variant, Zeta variant, Eta variant, and many more variants. And their scientific names are as B.1.1.7 for Alpha variant, B.1.351 for Beta variant, P.1 for Gamma variant, B.1.167.2 for Delta variant, B.1.427 or 429 for Epsilon variant, P.2 for Zeta variant, and B.1.525 for Eta variant. The Greek letter naming have recently been assigned to these scientific names by WHO in order to eliminate the country names assigned to these variants from where they are detected first. Now here we see the first four variants are VOC, that is the variant of concern, which includes the Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta variants, and rest of the other three variants are variant of interest. Now moving further towards the transmissibility factor of these variants. Here in this diagram we can see the bar for Alpha variant. The bar is going down as it has a great transmission rate. Whereas for Beta variant the bar remains small since it has less transmissibility. Then for Gamma variant the bar is moderate. And then we have the Delta variant, and for this the bar goes totally down, showing highest transmissibility among all these variants. Now if we assign plus signs for its transmissibility, we can say 3 plus signs for Alpha, for Beta we have only 1 plus sign, for Gamma we have only 2 plus signs, and for Delta, that's most lethal of all these variants, we have got the 4 plus signs. And it must be noted here that Delta variant has 51 to 67% more transmissibility than the Alpha variant. Now getting towards the R0 values of SARS-CoV-2. The R0 or R0 shows how contagious an infectious disease is. The original virus in Wuhan, that SARS-CoV-2, has got the values between 2.4 to 2.6. The Alpha variant of SARS-CoV-2 has R0 value of 4 to 5. Beta variant has 2 to 3 R0 values. Gamma variant has 3 to 4 value. And currently the most lethal of all these variants, which is the Delta variant, has got R0 values of 5 to 8, which indicates the Delta variant is highly contagious. Now let's see what mutations have brought us the Delta variant. We have got the 4 important mutations that are found to be in the Delta variant of SARS-CoV-2, that are D614G, T478K, L452R, P681R. The D614G is also found in Alpha, Beta and Gamma variant. In D614G mutation, the aspartic acid is replaced by glycine at 614 position in spike protein amino acids. Then in T478K mutation, we have substitution at 478th position, where threonine is substituted by lysine. Moving further towards the third mutation, that's L452R, leucine is replaced by arginine, which confers stronger affinity of spike protein towards the ACE2 receptor of cell. Then ultimately we have the P681R, where we see at 681 position the proline is replaced by arginine, which confers increased cell infectivity. So these are the 4 important mutations in Delta variant. The presence of all these mutations simultaneously makes the Delta variant the lethal variant. And one more thing to be noted here is that if 417N mutation is found along with these said mutations, that makes the variant as Delta plus variant. So this is what Delta variant is, its R values and the mutations it has got. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do consider support my work on Patreon or YouTube, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.